It's William
and Robin
with the Riverstone Life, and what are we doing today, Robin?
going to the camper.
Going to the camper. We're going to Bill's Happy Camper.
Yes, we are.
Oh, and what town's that thing in?
Mill Hall.
I never can remember Mill Hall.
I don't know why.
But
They said it 30 times.
why are we going there today, Robin?
Because I need my stuff.
Actually, Robin's parents are going to let us store some of our stuff in their basement.
Yay.
So, I don't know.
We'll have less stuff.
We'll actually have a little more room in that fifth wheel to move around, right?
That's the plan.
Yeah, that's the plan. But the reason we're going there, what is the real reason we're going there?
You really want to know?
Yeah, I really want to know.
Well, you really know.
But they don't know.
Because we need to get her Santa costumes.
Yes, folks.
Mr. and Mrs. Claus.
Yeah, our Mr. and Mrs. Claus that we dress up every year. I thought when we got rid of the home we wouldn't be doing that, but now Robin's like, well,
it's tradition.
We're going back to Colorado, right?
Yeah.
And at the end of the week, and we're gonna spend a little time there before we fly out to Hawaii for a week, and then we get right back on what, Christmas Eve?
Christmas Eve.
Christmas Eve. Okay. I know I heard an Eve in there. I didn't know there was a double Eve, so I guess that's the day before Christmas Eve.
Correct.
Okay. And then we're gonna do some Christmas with the family there, huh? Are we coming right back, or are we staying there till New Year's? What are we doing?
Not sure.
We're not sure yet. We didn't get that far. But I'm hoping that we get to see a little bit of work being done on the fifth wheel. They told me to come today because they said it'd be in the shop and it'd be easier for us to get stuff in and out of it.
Yeah.
So I'm kind of hoping we get there and there's some stuff tore off it, or at least maybe we can find out more about if there's any other repairs they have to do.
I hope not.
You hope not. Well,
It's just under shelter.
Well, I mean, we'll find out, but maybe I can do a little bit of it. We'll finish this video up with us walking around Bill's Happy Camper and maybe showing the fifth wheel. If they're still working on it. Another thing is, what's tomorrow? Tomorrow's Thursday?
I don't know.
Yeah, today's Wednesday. So Friday, the truck finally gets dropped off on Friday.
Yay.
So the goal is, when we come back after the first of the year, everything's done. We're ready to rock and roll.
Till the next storm.
Till the next storm. I guess we'll just not be in Colorado during hail season. Okay?
We'll try.
We'll try. We'll go to Canada.
Think that's any better?
I love
Canada get hail?
I had a lot of fun in Canada, and I want to do some more Canada stuff. So that's kind of on my bucket list to spend a little more time in Canada. So we'll see. What else you got to say, Robin?
We have traffic now.
Yeah, we got traffic. Oh, she's not coughing.
Don't jinx me. The last time you said I was doing good, I went backwards. So just zip it.
Okay, I'll zip it. But that's why you're back in the video. You haven't been in the video because I couldn't.
Because I don't shut up.
You didn't shut up?
Oh, it's horrible.
All right. Well, we'll be back, folks, and hopefully this video will get better.
We'll see.
But let's take a look at this. We were able to come by and get some of our stuff out of the Riverstone and see how things are going. And it's ready for paint. Check that out. It's got all the new material. That's what the hail wiped out, was all along there. All along through there. And here. And along there. And check that out. Now they just got to get it into the paint booth. So, and they got all that stuff repaired up on top. And they were able to repair the metal on that right there. A slide tower, topper, whatever you want to call it, canopy thing. But I guess that was all messed up there, so they replaced that too. But we're just waiting for the new door. Riverstone sent us the new door. Anybody that watches our channel knows how much I hate that door. So the glass door is on its way. They'll replace the glass door, and then they'll paint the other side. And the truck gets dropped off on Friday. And so after the first year when we come back, this should be done. And the fifth wheel should be done. I'm really excited. I did not expect that much to be done already. They don't mess around. Just remember, guys, this is Bill's Happy Camper. I'm telling you, they have been nothing but awesome. Josh is the guy that took care of us. And Josh has just been awesome. I mean, the first time I called him, you know, you get so used to getting run around by RV dealers. And I gave him a call and told him my situation. And I wasn't sure he was going to help us out. And he's like, you know what? Let me talk to my boss and I will call you back tomorrow. We've all heard that story before, right? I'm thinking, yeah, I'll be calling him in a couple weeks again and reminding him. But no, it was not the case. He called me the next day, asked me for the pictures. I sent him all the pictures. And he started getting things going. And then I told him, well, you got some time because we got to get it to Pennsylvania. But I couldn't get anybody to help us in Colorado. I couldn't get the dealer that we bought it from to even return my call. I couldn't get nobody. Nobody wanted to do that hail work on that thing or even talk about the warranty door because I didn't buy it from them. So I could keep telling you in all my videos, buy the dealer before you buy the unit. Because if you're happy with the dealer, the rest of it will all come together. So next time you're out looking for your RV, think of Bill's Happy Camper. It's in Pennsylvania here, and just awesome guys, and they've got a lot of inventory. You can see all the Riverstones that they've sold. The people bring them here and store them here. They bring them here for storage. They bring them for their repair work. I mean, they got a whole bunch of new units. I mean, Riverstone's everywhere. So if you're a Riverstone fan, this is definitely the place to go. Super happy. They've done way above for me and Robin. I mean, we called them yesterday and they said, come on out. They come out here, they moved it out so we could get it opened up, get all our stuff out of it. That's just awesome. You know, it's just awesome. We're actually taking a bunch of the stuff out of the fifth wheel, taking it to store it at our parents' house. We had so much stuff in that thing that we actually didn't even need with us everywhere we go, but we had no place to store it. So that worked out perfect. I'll try to walk through there and get some more video of all the other campers they got and the new Riverstones. But check this out, like I said, Riverstone Row. Oh, but look at that. No more dents. Is that awesome or what? That makes me feel so much better. Coming into the new year knowing that I don't have to look at those dents. I know. I'm sure, folks, that's kind of stupid to some people, but me, I don't like my shit looking like crap. I really don't. That makes me happy. If we get this truck all handled and all this stuff looks like brand new again, starting 2024, and let's just hope 2024 is a better year for the whole RV industry and everybody out there on the road, and hopefully we get some better weather this year. A little more mild maybe would be nice. But look at the Riverstone looks great. They must have washed this thing really good and made sure, because he said they went through everything. Nothing wrong with the top except the stuff that they replaced and all the little drip or drain things, whatever you want to call them. I mean, other than that, you know, super, super happy. So just remember, if you like what we're doing on the channel, subscribe to the channel. If you like the video, give us a thumbs up. Robin's inside getting some more stuff that she lost when we moved into this thing that she found today. So it's awesome, right, folks? This is awesome.